Okay, so to get to the supercharger, not too bad. Just gotta take off the exhaust clamp for the water box. Water box that's right there, that guy. And there's also a strap. Gotta remove that strap from the bottom right there, right for water box. Completely take out the bolt on your clamp. Take off that clamp on that hose. Take off that lower nipple hose right there, and then you can slide the water box back. Cut that strap off. Shouldn't have cut any other ones off. Pull that up, and then that one you gotta take off. This guy right here gonna require a special tool, and there's one other one on the bottom. Probably can't see it, but you're gonna need an inspection mirror. It's right there. Kind of see it. It's not that one, it's the one right above it. Kind of a bad angle, but yeah, you'll get the idea. There's 3 of them. Alright, now you can see not the one that's in front, but the one behind right there. That's the one that you gotta take off. It's down there. You're gonna need an inspection mirror in order to see it. But go ahead and point to it a little bit better. Put a tool on it so you can see which one I'm talking about. See right there, that's the one you put your tool on. That one in the back right there. Alright. Okay, just okay. No more bolt. Come on. Come on. Alright, just kind of pry out the screwdriver and fucker should just come right out like that. Oh. Supercharger. Okay, supercharger off. Need some bolts. Something maybe a little bit shorter. It's kind of a little long. Sorry, it looks like a good candidate. Yeah. This tool to grab onto this little slot here. I see. You hold that. Yeah. And then you do that to buzz this side off and to buzz that side off. Right. Okay, fuck it. Let's hit that. Alright, go ahead and hit a 17mm impact. Reverse thread, so righty tighty, but it's actually righty loosey. Alright, hit that with an impact. Pulling that. Okay, I'll go ahead and take these bolts out on the cover. just stick a 1/2 inch ratchet right there. Just kind of do it for the camera. Oh, interesting. That's fancy.
Right, they knew what they were doing.
Wow, look at that. Oh yeah.
Ta-da!
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Hey, what's going on?
That ain't supposed to be it.
What is that, grease?
Yeah, probably just dirt.
Or bypass from the seal going bad, maybe?
Yeah, you usually get like solid oil. Maybe just a little bit of oil and some dirt.
It looks like nothing's exploded though. Use silicone for this? Or is it like, what is it, thin gasket? It looks like silicone.
Yeah, they just put like a small bead of silicone around it.
I see. Okay.
Ta-da!
Wow, compressor wheel.
Oh yeah. Check the fins on it.
Does it look okay?
Yeah. The main thing you're looking for is that it's smooth.
Yeah, hasn't been like sucked anything up.
Yeah.
Sandblasted.
When these wear out, like yeah, you'll see like they get all chewed up and your finger will catch on them, and or the backside will just be all black. That looks good.
Nice. Okay, so I see the oil seal here.
Yeah.
So now there's this tool. Does that come off with this assembly right here? This washer?
Yeah, that actually just pulls right out.
Okay, that's what.
There's an O-ring behind.
Alright, we're about to buzz this side off. This is regular thread, so lefty loosey. Nice. Go ahead and put a little bit of heat right here. Careful. Good enough. You should see that start slaying out. What do you usually say, Trevor?
Hello.
Need this special tool right here to pull out that plug. It's lefty loosey. We're replacing the bearing with this kit?
Yeah.
Okay,
That
so
we gotta tap out.
alright, we're gonna tap that out.
A big ass punch or something.
Yeah. So now you want to get a big ass punch. Try not to damage your surfaces. We're gonna punch this bearing out from this side right here. Like that. So yeah, you just punch it out and then just pull your whole thing out after that. And there's your bearing. Pretty straightforward. Alright guys, so directions, just take it apart the same way it came, put it together the same way it came apart. Definitely going to need your directions or you're going to jack this up. I'm not going to show you how to do this. This takes too many years. Alright guys, so this was the tricky part right here. Alright, so we're basically replacing these washers right here. These are the ceramic ones and we're replacing them with steel ones in the new kit. You gotta read directions, but basically after you get this wheel on, that's the main upgrade of this kit right here, is basically replacing those bearings right there, or replacing those ceramic washers to steel washers. Okay, it's the new stack for the supercharger. Rebuilt that side. Go ahead and finish the rest. Those are all the old parts, new parts. Okay, you gotta press this new bearing on from the kit using this tool. Basically slide this through and then using a shop press, the anvil on top, and this press it down. Try to press this bearing on using a hammer, you're gonna destroy your supercharger.